Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare pumpkin curry. Most often we feel that pumpkin curry is very boring, but trust me, this pumpkin has many health benefits which we don't know. But if you once know it, you will not leave it. You will at least have once in a week this pumpkin curry. This is that easy and that simple. So let us see how to prepare. All we need is a pumpkin over here. Take a pumpkin, select a good one from the market and wash it and peel the outer cover. Now chop it into nice pieces like this, a larger one like this. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and add 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of urad dal and 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 3 red chilies, larger one, and then give it a nice stir and allow them to turn to golden brown. Once they are done, add 1 medium sized chopped onion and 4 sliced chilies. Give it a nice stir and close the lid and allow the onions to turn soft. Once it turns soft, time to add our tomato, chopped tomato. That here I have taken a medium size, that is lemon sized tomato, chopped it nicely and then added into this. Now close the lid and allow the tomatoes to turn soft. After 1.5 minutes, this is what we get. Now time to add our pumpkin pieces into this, onion and tomatoes. Now after adding this, it's time to add salt. Here I have added 1.5 tablespoon of salt, or salt to taste. According to your taste you can add it, and then a pinch of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. That's it. Now give it a nice stir till all the pumpkin pieces are coated nicely with this chili powder and salt, and then add this tamarind juice or puree. Here I have taken marble sized tamarind, but if you like to have more tangy, you can add lemon sized tamarind. Extract the puree out of it and add into the pumpkin pieces. Now time to add 1 full cup of water. You don't need all the pumpkin seeds to submerge into it because this is very easy and these get cooked very fast, so you don't need all the pumpkin pieces to submerge in the water. Do not add much water. So once you get this consistency, that is the water you have added gets reduced to 3/4. Now time to add jaggery into it. Here I have added only two pieces of jaggery. If you love to have more sweetness, you can add more jaggery, or else jaggery is completely optional. But for this curry, if you add a little bit of jaggery, that takes this curry to another level. Now see, our pumpkins are almost cooked. Just check it like this. See, it turns so soft, but for us what it happens is it appears that it doesn't cook from the outer side, but it is completely cooked. So again in the last, just add 1/4 cup of water and allow them to cook nicely, and add a little bit of coriander, and that's it. Turn off your flame and then serve it hot. Your pumpkin curry is all ready. So just see, it's so simple. With these simple ingredients available at your kitchen, you can prepare this yummy and tasty and yet healthy pumpkin curry at home itself. You can serve this with hot rice and enjoy this meal. You know, pumpkin is rich in fiber, it's rich in vitamin A, it's rich in vitamin C. So vitamin A and vitamin C, what it helps you is, it gives you good eyesight, good skin health and good heart care also, and also it gives you good memory. So trust me, with all these health benefits, we just don't leave it, right? So give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Till then, enjoy your pumpkin curry. Bye bye.